Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. It's my intention to tighten up that hole by putting a piece of metal into there. And that just happens to be a good size for a 3/8 national pipe thread. So I can take this short chunk of pipe, run it in there, and tighten it down. All I need to do is bore this out and cut it off. A little bit of 50-50 on there. Cast iron cut's relatively easy, but it is very abrasive. It has lots of hard spots in there. And free carbon. Free carbon is kind of tough to cut through. Okay. Now this just happened to work. I don't know if this is the best way for everybody else to do it, but considering the state of my storeroom and the taps that I have and the tools that I have available to me to work with, this seemed to be the best method. And you guys might have better ways. And I'm happy to hear about them. Just leave a note in the comments and we'll talk about it. Because I have many other vices to work on. I just want to snug it up. I don't want to take it in there too tight because I can crack that casting. And that would be a bad idea. Beautiful. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.